Replacing the silicone horseshoe on your EZ Bugler mouthpiece can be a little bit tricky, as it's made from really soft silicone. Very carefully take a knife and slip underneath the gasket and pull it out ever so gently. Put some saliva on the mouthpiece and on the new silicone gasket. Use your fingers to push the gasket into the little trough. Find a little stick that's not too sharp on the end and use the stick to help poke it inside the little pockets. Tuck your reed in back into the little pockets. Make sure it's snug and snap it in on the rounded side of the call. And you're back in the game for calling elk.